Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pink Holly Bush Designs. Welcome to my sewing studio where we talk all things sewing and smocking. Today is the first of 3 videos where we are going to sew along Welcome Home, the Perfect Baby Layette. Now if you're not familiar with the Welcome Home pattern, I have another video that I did where I introduced the pattern, explained about the different pieces that make up the pattern, and gave some fabric suggestions for it. So you might want to jump on over, check that out, and then come on back here and sew along with us. So today, this video is releasing, it is August 1st, 2022, and we are going to be sewing the top for Welcome Home. There will be 2 more videos releasing. The trousers video will release on August 3rd, 2022, and then the booties on August 5th, 2022. So if you are watching this video after those dates, I will link the additional videos down below. If you're watching closer to live time, just know that those 2 videos are coming in the next few days. With that, let's dive in and let's sew the top to Welcome Home. So we're going to take the tab, fold it in half with the right sides together. We're going to sew here and here. Pin the tab to the left front for a boy and to the right front for a girl. Then sew the side seams. Stitch or serge the side seams. Notice where the tab is. Run a gathering stitch around the sleeve. Okay, to join the ruffle, I'm going to pin the 2 strips at a right angle to each other, and then I'm going to sew diagonally from where they join up here at this corner to where they join down here at this corner. And the point of that is these are cut on the bias, so they have a little bit of stretch, and this, by joining them this way rather than end to end, this maintains the bias on the seam. All right, so there's my seam. I'm going to trim these, this to about 1/4 inch. Okay, and there's my join. I'm going to press this open. You can get that like that. Then I'm going to press this long ways together, the long edges together, and I'm going to run 2 gathering stitches along here at 1/4 of an inch and 5/8 of an inch from the edge. After you've sewn all 4 strips together, match the center seam to the center back notch, and then pin the ruffle all the way around the edge. Keep the bottom 5/8 inch ungathered. That's going to be in the hem allowance for the bottom of the top. And then just adjust the gathers and pin it in place. I finished mine with just a simple zigzag. If you did the optional ruffle, make sure to tuck the corner in as well so that you catch that. Now for the snaps. You want to line up your edges and your side seams.